Okay, today we're gonna make some money. Let's do it. Who's with me? Come on. We can do this, all right? Most of the problem with manifesting money is that we want money because we don't have money, right? And so there's some situation going on that you need money for, and you like, I need to manifest this money. As soon as you start manifesting from that perspective, it makes it harder because you're thinking about lack, right? You're thinking, I need money for this thing, I don't have it, right? And as time passes, sometimes when you manifest things, as we all know, if you've been manifesting for a while, life, God, the universe doesn't work on our time. It works on its own time, divine timing. And sometimes that bill, it's due on the 14th, and divine will doesn't give you the money until the 16th, but everything still works out, but having deadlines for money and stuff like that can have you always thinking about the worst case scenario popping up in your head. What if it's late, if I get a late payment, if they take my car, if I get evicted, all these things are popping through your head. So that's what makes money, manifesting money, so hard, because it's easy to slip into thinking of what you don't want, the worst case scenario, than actually what you do want, because you're too attached to it. Being attached to your manifestation makes you fearful, because I need this, I must have this. So if you need this and you must have this, then what happens if you don't? Right? That fear is riding with you. What happens if it don't? And so when you're detached, though, let's say somebody needed $500, or else they would be evicted, right? And they're thinking about that $500. How can I make it? Because what's fueling their mind is, I don't want to get evicted. I don't want to get evicted. That's what you're manifesting. Now, if that same person was like, okay, I need you to manifest a cupcake. Like, okay, cupcake. Or like, let's pick a cupcake you really enjoy. Okay, there's a cupcake I know I really enjoy. Do you need that cupcake? No, I don't really need that cupcake. Do you have to have that cupcake? Nope. Okay, so then you can easily focus on that cupcake, see yourself eating that cupcake, enjoying that cupcake, really having an experience that cupcake is yours, and then you can move on with your day. You're not attached to that cupcake. You don't need that cupcake to live or to survive or to do anything. So there's no fears running around your head. If you don't get that cupcake, what's going to happen? So detachment, and that's the problem with manifesting money with most people, including myself. It's detaching from whatever goals you have when it comes to money. Being able to be to focus on what you do want, and allow something better to come if that doesn't come. So this $2 experiment is a perfect way to help you to detach from money. Because who really needs a $2 bill? Nobody needs a $2 bill. $2 bill is not going to change your life, but a $2 bill is rare. Everybody doesn't give you $2 bills. When was the last time you had a $2 bill, right? $2 bills are not floating around everywhere. Even if you ask for a $2 bill, a lot of people won't have it. They'll have it at the bank most likely, but at the store and things like that, you're not going to find it. So this is a sum of money that we can manifest, and once it manifests, you'll know that you can manifest any amount of money. Because if I can manifest a $2 bill, why can't I manifest 2 million? What's the difference? It's still money, right? So this is what we're going to do. If you're going to join the $2 manifestation challenge, I want you to write in the comments below. Please like the video, because I'm going to start posting on a regular basis, and I want to start building up this channel. I want to help as many people as possible, because I've been getting a lot of good results in my manifestation techniques and my meditation practices and things like that. And this was always the goal, to be able to build myself up to a place that I was confident enough to know that I can really help people, because I do. I want to help people to have a better life, to have the things that they always believe in their heart that they deserve, though it's theirs, and things like that. So anyway, if you're going to join this $2 challenge, right below that I started today. And then once you get your $2 bill, come back and reply to your comment, I got it. That's going to be dope. So I'm going to tell you the story of what I did. So I I decided I'm gonna do this $2 thing. So what I did is I knew I had to get the feelings of having a $2 bill. So I went online and Google and I searched $2 bill, and I found a nice, clear, high quality picture of a $2 bill, so I can clearly see both sides of it and everything, and really get into my mind. And I start picturing myself playing with it and feeling it and being like, oh my God, I can't believe this worked. I actually have this $2 bill. You know, this is amazing. It worked, it worked, it worked. You know, and I'm excited about it. I'm holding the $2 bill. I'm pulling it like this, you know, like, matter of fact, let me just do it with this $1 bill, right? So I'm like this, you know, holding the $2 bill, and I'm just like, yes, I can't believe I got this. I'm so excited, and I'm feeling it in my mind and stuff like that. And I'm looking at the 2 on it and closing my eyes, looking at the 2 and feeling it. And I'm so excited, and I see myself put in my wallet as a constant reminder that I can manifest whatever sum of money I want. So I did that. And then for the next couple days, I did the same thing again. I just pulled up the picture online and I did that little visualization, and I felt it and got all excited about knowing that it's mine and feeling that I had it now, you know, in my hands, and putting it in my wallet again. I did that for about 3 days, and I wrote it down. And then, to tell you the truth, I got discouraged. After three days, I was like, oh my God, I didn't get this yet. I'm like, it's $2. It shouldn't take a long time. And then about a little while later, my son, so we had $2 bills from like maybe a year and a half ago or something that I had gotten, and I thought I had spent them all. So a few weeks later, I'm in the house, and my wife is cleaning our closets out, and then my son goes into the room, and he comes running out to me, and he's like, Daddy, here you go. And he hands me a $2 bill. I'm like, what? And I'm like, Marky, where did you get this from? He says, oh, Mommy was cleaning out the closet, and she found this $2 bill somewhere stuck behind something, and I brought it to you. I was like, why'd you bring it to me? He's like, I don't know, I just brought it to you. I wanted to show it to you and give it to you. I didn't tell my wife, I didn't tell my son, I didn't tell anybody about this $2 experiment. This was written down in my journal. Nobody reads my journals or anything like that. He had no clue what he was doing and why he did it, and I was ecstatic. I went back to my journal immediately, and I saw that I had wrote down that request for that $2 6 weeks ago. So it took 6 weeks to come, but it came. And it came exactly how I wrote it down. I wrote down, thank you for my $2 bill. It came to me without me even having to try to make it happen. So I didn't try and make it, literally came to me. It was brought and given to me. I didn't have to do anything for it. So, and then the message that came to me right after that was, it could have been any sum of money that you chose. So I was disappointed that it took, after 3 days, that it didn't come, because I was like, it's such a small sum of money. Why didn't it come faster? Well, it doesn't matter what sum it is. It comes when it comes, right? So you think that you're gonna manifest $50 in 1 hour, or 3 million in 3 years? It really doesn't matter. You can manifest $3 million in a day. Things can happen. You never know. I don't know divine timing, but it can happen. So the goal is to do the same thing. And also, obviously, $2, you don't have to be attached to $2, so there's no fear of not making the $2. But at the same time, you don't want to try and make it happen. You don't want to try and make it happen, because it's already done. You can't make something happen that's already done. I did totally detached because I was disappointed. You know, I was like, I'm not gonna worry about that anymore. But I wasn't thinking in my head that it didn't happen, it's not happening. I just totally forgot about it, right? I put out an intention, and then I forgot about it, and so it still came. Now, if I had put out the intention, and then after I got discouraged, I started thinking to myself, oh, this is never gonna happen, I don't know why I tried that, and things like that, yeah, I probably would have blocked it. But since I just totally forgot about it, the only thing I had put out there was good intentions of me having this $2 bill, you know, holding it and put it in my wallet. So I want you guys to do the same thing. Go ahead and focus on what you want. You know, focus on that $2 bill, look it up and see it and things like that, and and visualize yourself having it, and visualize yourself excited about it. Visualize yourself writing in the comments down here that you got it, and then write me back when you get it. You will get it. You can do it every day. That's the other thing. I understood that if I had consistently did that and not got discouraged, it would have came faster also. It didn't need to take 6 weeks. It would have came faster if I did it every morning. Let's say every morning, first thing in the morning, or every evening before I went to bed. If I just fell asleep thinking about that $2 bill and holding it and grateful for it, or first thing in the morning got up and thought about that $2 bill, or even write a reality tale, as Laura Day calls it, about how happy and grateful I am that I got this $2 bill and I'm so excited, and what am I going to manifest next? That's another thing you could do. You can say, when I make this $2 bill, the next thing I'm going to manifest is $5,000, $20,000, $1 million, whatever it is, to get you even more excited about this. But like I said, if you're going to add another goal to it, make sure you detach from it. And maybe you shouldn't even add it because it might make it more heavy, right? So just focus on the $2 bill right now. Focus on the $2 bill, creating that $2 bill. If you have any questions about manifestation techniques or anything, you can write your questions in the comments below. But that should be it. If once you do that and you put the intention out, just put it out every day, keep it light, and then go about your business. Do the meditation in the morning, when you're falling asleep in the evening, then go about your business. Stop thinking about the $2 bill. You're not trying to make it happen. Don't go to the bank and ask them for $2 bills. Every time you go shopping, don't ask them for $2 bills. Just put out an intention. The whole point of this is to show you how powerful you are and how your mind and your emotions actually create your reality, right? So you don't need to know how, you don't need to know when, and you don't need to make it happen. You are attracting it and pulling it to you, right? And this will blow your mind when it happens, trust me. And you will keep that $2 bill in your wallet, in your purse, wherever. Put it on your bathroom mirror. You will keep it as a reminder that when you stay consistent, you focus on what you want as if you had it already, you detach from it, and you just go about your day and enjoy your day and not think about it, it will come to you. And that includes any sum of money, any situation, anything you want. So remember to comment below and let me know if you're joining the challenge today, and so that you can track yourself and come back when it finally happens and write again, I got my $2 bill. I'm like so excited to see who does this and how it works out for you.